If you're looking for a one-pot winter wonder, it's this dish. We're making laksa chicken and rice bake. And chicken and rice has never tasted better. For this recipe, I'm using legs and thighs, but essentially you can use any cut that you want, but you want to get it seasoned really well before browning. And the pot is cold. There's no heat in it right now. And the reason for that is as it slowly starts to heat up when I put it on, it's going to render that fat out of the chicken because I want crispy, dark chicken skin. That's that brown color that we're looking for. And that brown color is all flavor. So once it looks like that, it's good to come out the pot. I'm gonna add onions. Plus the onions are gonna caramelize to add a little bit of sweetness to our dish. So in it goes. The onions are an important part of this recipe. They add texture. That's why I've cut a few little chunky and others I've sliced quite chunky. Onions are cooked down, so it's literally reduced in volume by half. Everything's just soft, delicious, and brown and sweet. Using the Woolies laksa paste is an instant way to get maximum flavor. It is so fragrant. Ready for chicken stock, and I'm using Woolies concentrate chicken stock, coconut milk, instant tropical flavors, and the coconut flavor with the lemongrass, I mean, come on. Yes, please. The next step is adding our rice, and I've already washed our rice and just left it on the side, and you see it's already separated. When this cooks, I want to have fluffy individual grains of rice into the pot and then the chicken. Lid on the pot, into the oven, and the rice is going to absorb all that liquid. It's going to become so delicious. About 35 minutes to 40 minutes, and we're eating. You've got to come take a look at this. And because it's been cooking with that liquid, the chicken I'm saying, it's guaranteed to be juicy and so delicious. Spring onion goes on top, and you'll notice I kept everything very chunky. Keep it chunky. Even the coriander garnish at the end, twist it, scatter that over, and then just because we're daring like that, red chili and lots of lime. Actually, when you serve it with a wedge of lime. Chicken and rice, iconic.